Today is World Malaria Day, and as your favorite doctor on this highway, I'm here to give you facts about malaria that you should know about and also your family should know about. Number one, malaria is caused by a parasite known as Plasmodium, and we have 5 different kinds of Plasmodium, but the falciparum is the one that causes malaria. Also, malaria is being transmitted by the female Anopheles mosquitoes, so make sure that you are not bitten by mosquitoes. Malaria presents with signs and symptoms like fever, vomiting, headaches, high temperatures, and also you can develop joint pains from malaria. That's for the uncomplicated part. But malaria can go ahead and give you complications like entering into your brain and causing cerebral malaria. So you should be careful when you are presenting with these signs, and make sure that you go to the hospital and get tested. Before you treat anyone for malaria, make sure that you are tested and you are confirmed positive before you start your treatment. The treatment for malaria is the ACT therapies, and we have a lot of brands and a lot of medications also. We also have the IV forms of these medications that are used in treating malaria. Malaria affects about 1 million people every year, and out of this 1 million people, 500,000 die every year. The people who are at risk of having malaria are people who are immunocompromised, like pregnant women, people who have traveled from areas where there's less mosquito infection, like from the Western world, to areas which are highly infested with mosquitoes, and hence is called a malaria endemic belt. Also, children who are less than 5 years old are also at risk of having malaria. Then also, people who are immunocompromised can also have malaria. Malaria is preventable. We have certain practices that when you adhere as a human being or as an individual, it helps you stay safe and your family from malaria. Number one is sleep under insecticide treated net or mosquito net as we normally know it. Also, make sure that you desilt all your sewages, and also you desilt all your gutters, and also areas where there's water ponding in your area. Also, you make sure you clear every bush and also unwholesome environment in your area. Then, the last but not the least, make sure that you keep your environment clean. Let's make sure that malaria do not affect people, and make sure that we keep our environment safe. Happy World Malaria Day. Share this video. This is Connect Dr. Greg. Bye bye.